In this module, we'll start blending, learning how to create the cranberry accord from its core ingredients. We'll start with 3 key materials: Litsea Cubeba, Yuzu and Blackcurrant Bud Absolute. The idea is to recreate that lively tart sensation, bright but natural. Each of these contributes something unique. Litsea brings the lemony brightness, Yuzu adds tangy juiciness, and Blackcurrant gives the green fruity bite. We'll begin by pairing them 2 at a time. Try 3 ratios: 70-30, 50-50, 30-70, and note how the scent shifts from citrus to fruit. Now combine Litsea with Blackcurrant Bud. This is where you'll start to feel the tart backbone of the cranberry note. Finally, pair Yuzu with Blackcurrant. This is the juicy heart of your accord. You're learning control, brightness, tartness, and how they balance in motion. Now combine your favourite pairing with the 3rd material to create the full cranberry accord. If your favourite was Yuzu and Blackcurrant, blend it as one unit, then add Litsea in different ratios until you find harmony. This is where artistry meets chemistry. You're shaping not just notes, but a feeling. Smell, note, and reflect on how your cranberry evolves over time. Once you find balance, you'll be ready to extend the accord further, and we'll explore that next.